Back out. To decide not to do something you had agreed to. He backed out of the plan at the last moment. She promised to help me but then backed out. Bring up. To start talking about a particular subject. He brought up his childhood memories at dinner. She brought up an interesting topic during the meeting. Call off. To cancel something that was planned. The teacher called off the class unexpectedly. They called off the match because of heavy rain. Come across. To find or meet something, someone, unexpectedly. She came across a useful book at the library. He came across an interesting idea while reading. Cut down on. To reduce the amount of something. I am trying to cut down on sugary drinks. She decided to cut down on screen time. Drop by. To visit someone for a short time. I will drop by your house in the evening. My cousin dropped by after school yesterday. Figure out. To understand or find the answer to something. I finally figured out how to use the new app. We need to figure out a better way to solve this problem. Get along with. To have a good relationship with someone. She gets along with everyone in her new school. They didn't get along at first, but now they are good friends. Give away. To give something to someone for free. He decided to give away some of his books. I gave away my old toys instead of throwing them away. Go over. To review or examine something carefully. She went over her notes before going to school. The teacher went over the important points again. Hold on. To wait for a short time. Hold on for a minute, I'm coming. She asked me to hold on because she was busy. Keep up with. To stay at the same level or speed as someone or something. She walks so fast that I can't keep up with her. He works hard to keep up with his classmates. Look into. To investigate or examine something. The teacher promised to look into the problem. She looked into several options before choosing one.